Hello everyone, welcome to Planet Ayurveda channel. I am your Planet Ayurveda expert. Today we will discuss about Talispatra or Indian silver fir, which is also known as Abies baebiana. Let's start with its introduction. Talispatra is known as Indian silver or Talispatra in Sanskrit. Talisam talti tatas talgato ashah parvatah, which means a tree that grows in high mountains. It is an ingredient of famous Ayurvedic medicine for cough, that is Talisadi Churna. In Charak Samhita, there is mention of use of Talisadi powder and vati for the treatment of tuberculosis. Talisadi Churna is a well-known polyherbal formulation included in classical text Sharangdhar Samhita. Now let's start with classical synonym of Talispatra, that is Dhatripatra, which means its leaves are resembles like Amalki. Patradhya, which means its plants contain plenty of leaves. Madhurpatra, because its leaves are sweet in taste. Shukodra, because of its green color. Talish, due to being always green leaves. Now we'll discuss vernacular names of Talishpatra. In English, Talishpatra is known as Himalayan silver fir or Talispatra. In Sanskrit, Talispatra is known as Talispatra, Thalis, Dhatriparni or Shukodra. In Hindi, it is known as Talispatra or Talispatra. In Bengali, it is known as Talispatra, Thalispala. In Malayalam, it is known as Talisa Patram. In Gujarati, it is known as Thalispatra. Now we'll discuss about classical categorization of Talispatra. According to Acharya Sushrut, it is categorized under Shirovirechana group that contain herbs which are useful in removing dosha from head regions. Now we'll discuss ancient words of Talispatra. Talisam laghu tikt ushnam श्वास कास कफ अनिलात निहंत्य अरुचि गुल्म आम वहनी मांद्य क्षय आम्यान. According to above shlok, Talis is light, piercing and hot in potency. It helps to manage asthma, cough, also pacify vata and kapha dosha. It also manage anorexia, abdominal tumors, low digestive fires and tuberculosis. Talispatram तिक्त उष्णम मधुरम कफ वातनुत कास हिक्का क्षय श्वास छर्दीर दोष विनाशकृत. According to above shloka, Talispatra is bitter, hot, sweet and anti-cough and anti-vata. It also manages cough, hiccup, emaciation or tuberculosis, asthma and vomiting. Now we'll discuss morphology of Talispatra. Talispatra is a tall evergreen tree with strong branches spread horizontally. It can be grown up to 60 meters of height. Now we'll discuss about leaves of Talispatra. Leaves of Talispatra are single, thin, flat and spirally arranged all around the small branches. If we discuss about color of leaves, that is, its upper part is very shiny and dark green in color. Now we'll discuss bark of Talispatra. Bark of Talispatra is rough and brown in color. Its petioles are very short and of grayish brown color. If we discuss about flowers of Talispatra, that are monoecious type, but the both sexes, male and female, can be there on the same plant. Now we'll discuss about fruits of Talispatra. Fruits of Talispatra are round or rectangular in shape, grows 2 to 4 inches, and the color of the cones are dark purple after ripen. Now we'll discuss habitat of Talispatra. It is widely distributed in higher range of temperate and subalpine regions of Himalaya, ranging from Kashmir to Assam state in India and particular in state of Sikkim. It is also found in Afghanistan, Hindu Kush range, Tibet, Nepal, Karakoram range and Bhutan at an altitude of 2500 to 4000, largely located in high humid region with heavy rainfall and dense mist. Now we'll discuss scientific classification of Talispatra. Kingdom of Talispatra is Plantae. Its phylum is Pinophyta. Its class is Pinocida. Its order is Pineales. Family of Talispatra is Pinaceae. Its genus is Abies. Its species is Wabiana. Now let's discuss about pharmacological properties of Talispatra. Its rus or taste is bitter and sweet. Its gun or physical property is light and sharp. Its potency is hot, and post-digestion effect of Talispatra is pungent. Talispatra helps to pacify kapha and vata dosha, and it contains pharmacological action like antispasmodic, antipyretic, expectorant and anti-inflammatory properties. Now we'll discuss about chemical constituents of Talispatra. Talispatra contain saponins, tannins, sterols, terpenes, phenols and flavonoids. Saponin in Talispatra contain antibacterial, antipyretic and sedation property. Tannin in Talispatra contain antioxidant, antimicrobial, antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. Sterols in Talispatra contain anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic, analgesic and antidiuretic properties. Terpenes in Talispatra contain antibacterial, analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. Phenols in Talispatra give security against cardiovascular disease and prevent oxidative damage to biomolecules such as DNA, lipids and proteins, which play a role in chronic disease such as cancer and cardiovascular diseases. Flavonoids in Talispatra contain anti-fatigue, anti-hyperlipidemic activity, radical scavenging activity and iron chelating activity. Now we'll discuss about properties of Talispatra. Talispatra contain Schwarzschild property, which means it helps in asthma and chronic respiratory diseases. Kasar property of Talispatra helps in cough. Mukhroghar, that means it is very useful in oral disorders. Gulmhar, it is useful in case of abdominal tumors. Aruchihar, that means it is very effective in relieving anorexia. Shardihar, that means Talispatra helps in relieving vomiting. Hridaya, that means Talispatra is very effective for heart. Amhar, Talispatra helps to remove accumulated ama or endotoxins from the body. Now, if we discuss about therapeutic properties of Talispatra, Talispatra contain antiseptic, astringent, antidiabetic, aphrodisiac, antispasmodic, anxiolytic, anti-tumor, anti-inflammatory, antitussive, febrifuge, carminative, stomachachic, expectorant and decongestant properties. Now we will discuss about effect of Talispatra on different systems. On nervous system, Talispatra act as febrifuge, central nervous system depressant, thus indicates in headache and fever. On digestive system, Talispatra contain hot potency which act as digestive and carminative properties. It also helps in facilitating the proper movement of Vata dosha. It is indicated in loss of appetite, bloating, anorexia, etc. On respiratory system, Talispatra helps to remove excessive kapha and also helps to pacify kapha dosha. It is expectorant and antiseptic in nature. Due to its hot potency, it helps in upper respiratory disorder like asthma, cough, bronchitis, etc. On excretory system, Talispatra increase the urine output, thus indicated in urinary tract infections. If we discuss about external use of Talispatra, it helps in reducing pain, thus indicated in headache for external application. If we discuss about part use of Talispatra, its leaves are widely used in management of various disorders. Now let's discuss about doses of Talispatra. Its churn or powder can be used at a dose of 2 to 5 gram. Now we'll discuss about some classical formulations of Talispatra. That is Talisadi Churn, Talisadi Kvath. Now we'll discuss about some home remedies of Talispatra. In headache, take few leaves of talis and add some quantity of water in it and make a paste. Apply it on forehead to get rid from headache. In lung infection, take 1 to 3 gram of talis powder. Take it with lukewarm water or honey. Have it once or twice a day. In cough, take 1 to 3 gram of talis powder. Add honey in it. Have it once or twice a day to manage cough. In case of sore throat, take 200 ml of water. Add 1 teaspoon of talis powder in it. Have it when it reduces to half cup. Have it once a day. In case of diarrhea, take 1 gram of talis powder. Take it with honey. Have it twice a day. Now we'll discuss about Planet Ayurveda product which contain Talispatra. That is Talispatra Churn, Yograj Gugul, Kankasav, Vyashadivati, Lavan Bhaskar Churn, Mahakalyanaghrit, Mahasudarshan Kvath, Kalyanaghrit. Thank you. I hope you all like information about Talispatra. If you have any query regarding home remedies or anything, you can email us on herbalremedies123@yahoo.com.
लिवर, किडनी, लंग्स, स्किन, दिल, पेट, घुटने, सिर, पैर या बॉडी के किसी भी पार्ट से जुड़ी हो कोई भी समस्या अभी कॉल या व्हाट्सएप करें और घर बैठे समाधान पाएं 6209123456 पर। हाँ जी, अब सब बीमारियों का इलाज है बहुत आसान। आपकी सेहत से जुड़ी हर समस्या का समाधान मिल रहा है घर बैठे। अब आप दुनिया के किसी भी कोने से टॉप प्लैनेट आयुर्वेदा एक्सपर्ट से ऑनलाइन बात करें, परामर्श लें और दवा की भी करवाएं होम डिलीवरी। हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स कोई भी हो, सोल्यूशन सिर्फ एक, www.planetayurveda.com। पूरे प्लैनेट की सेहत का नंबर 1 साथी।